Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll share some cozy fall decoration ideas to help you warm up your home for autumn. These are simple, perfect for mature viewers looking for timeless touches without fuss. Let's begin. Pumpkin stack centerpiece. Stack pumpkins, real or foul, of different sizes and colors on a tray or planter. Add leaves or berries around them. Tiered tray autumn display. Use a tiered tray in your living room or kitchen, filled with small pumpkins, pine cones, candles, and seasonal foliage. Dining table fall vignette. Arrange gourds, small pumpkins, apples, and candles on the dining table for a classic harvest tablescape. Natural leaf and branch garland. Collect colorful leaves or small branches to create a mantle or window garland. Simple and authentic. Cozy throw and blanket display. Drape knit or plaid blankets over chairs or sofas to add warmth and texture. Earth tone pillow mix. Swap bright cushions for fall-hued pillows in mustard, olive, burgundy, and rusty tones. Soft ambient lighting. Replace overhead lights with a few table or floor lamps. Use warm bulbs or scented candles like cinnamon or vanilla. Mantle with candlesticks and leaves. Decorate your fireplace mantle using a mix of tall candlesticks, leafy garlands, and a seasonal art piece. Dried flower arrangements. Create arrangements using dried hydrangeas, baby's breath, or grasses in vases around the house. Kitchen pumpkin display. Place pumpkins, gourds, and fall florals on your kitchen counter or island grouped in rustic baskets or bowls. Quiet coffee bar setup. Decorate a corner coffee or tea station with small pumpkins, autumn mugs, and soft LED candles. Windowsill mini display. Arrange mini white pumpkins with greenery or berries on the windowsill for a subtle seasonal touch. Entryway basket arrangement. Use a wicker basket near the entryway filled with pumpkins, gourds, dried leaves, or mums. Wheat or corn stalk feature. Dry wheat sheaves or corn stalks and display them upright in a tall vase or tied bundle. Simmer pot or scent diffuser. Add soft scents by simmering orange slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, or use oil diffusers with autumn fragrances. Thank you for watching. I hope these ideas help bring warmth and comfort to your home this upcoming fall season. If you try any of them, feel free to share your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more seasonal home inspiration. Have a cozy and beautiful autumn.